Okay, so one of the really important things on the seal coat truck for pump life, due to the abrasiveness of the material, is here on the circulate. So that's what the pump is going to be. The speed the pump is going to go when you're not spraying. So when you're just sitting still in between shots, that is the circulate GPM that the pump is going to be moving the product through. Again, for pump longevity on the seal coat truck, what we're going to want to do is turn that all the way down to 0. So that way you can do your shot, master off, the pump is actually going to stop. We've found that there's really no reason with the seal coat material to keep everything moving, and it just increases pump wear. So with that on 0, when the master goes to off, the pump stops. It's just, again, just to guarantee your pump lasts as long as possible with the abrasive material.